Hi everybody, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. I'm Eric, and this rig behind me here is Ghost Rider, and what we're going to talk about today is storage in an overlander, right? Everybody always needs more storage, and so I'm going to show you something cool that I came up with. I think it's a good way to be able to utilize some space that otherwise goes unused. All right. So here we are at the back of the Jeep, and as you can see, with the Smitty-built storage box here, the Dometic fridge, it takes up a lot of that space. I've got a couple of backpacks over here, the Coleman stoves up there. I've got that safety rack, and I'll do a kind of a review of how that all works and how that went in another time. But what I'm looking to utilize is this space right up here. So that dead empty space right there, I'm going to utilize that to store that chair. So my favorite chair, it's comfortable, I want to use it. How I'm going to go about doing that is I bought some webbing, right, the 1-inch webbing. I ordered some quick disconnects and these little deals. I can put a link to Amazon for them. I forget what they're called, but they're basically little cleats that I'm going to rivet right up into the top. Here you can see the chair fits right up in there, and it fits nice and snug, but those straps will make sure it stays up there, right? And I'm going to make the straps expandable, so if there's anything else that I want to put up in here, I certainly could. Again, utilizing that dead space. I'll be running 2 straps from the roll bar up there to right up here on the inside lip of the top. So see, there's that space right there, and I'm going to rivet those right in up here, and then with those straps, that chair actually fits right up in this space right here, and it's up out of the way. So I've already drilled this out 3/16 inch hole and put the rivet up in there, and it's just a simple process of pulling it into place. And now there's one strap. Other one's going to go over here, but super easy process. Alright, and here we're going to drill in number 2. Just holding that up into place. Getting the first hole started. Yeah, I know it's weird drilling holes in your hardtop, right? But it's got to be done. Don't forget to put the loop on there. Almost did that. All right. Voila, hole number 2. Alright, and then we put the second rivet in, slide it right up in there. Helps you take the end out of the from the last one, but anyhow. See, don't I give you guys hope? There we go. And number 2 is secure. Alright, so the webbing, when you cut it, I suggest you use a pretty sharp knife. But no matter how sharp your knife is, you do need to seal the ends, otherwise it'll just continue to run on you. Nice thing about it is just a little fire. And that tidies it right back up. So all I did was take the strapping up around the roll bar there and then brought it back, and of course you saw me put the rivets in these cleats, and that's what holds it in there. And like I said, it could hold just about anything, well, within reason, obviously not a significant amount of weight, but it holds it up there out of the way. I hope you guys have found this helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy sharing these things with you. If you could do me a huge favor and tap that little icon right there and subscribe to the channel, and of course like anything that you do like, hit that thumbs up button. That would really be helpful. Alright, until next time, make all of your adventures safe ones. We'll see you.